Are your competitors secretly holding the key to your SEO success? Keep watching to uncover their secrets. Your competitors are a goldmine of information you can use to improve your search engine optimization strategy. An SEO competitor analysis is where you dig into the SEO strategies of your competitors to find their strengths and weaknesses. Performing an SEO competitive analysis allows you to learn what works and what doesn't in your industry and avoid mistakes. Capitalize on your competitors' weaknesses and replicate their strengths to boost your own SEO strategy. Understand what SEO tasks to prioritize going forward and how difficult outperforming competitors is likely to be. You should perform an SEO competitor analysis when you have a new website or when your keyword rankings have dropped. Identify your SEO competitors by finding the websites competing for your desired target keywords in organic search. Investigate how your competitors are getting traffic by analyzing their website architecture and traffic sources. Find and cover content gaps by identifying keywords that your competitors rank for, but you don't. Spy on your competitors' featured snippets to potentially steal these snippets and improve your own rankings. See where your competitors' traffic is coming from to understand if you can get more traffic by translating your content. Find backlink gaps by identifying websites that are linking to your competitors, but not to you. Spot link bait opportunities by analyzing your competitors' backlink profiles and creating similar content. Find your competitors' broken pages and publish working replacements to gain their backlinks. Check your competitors' core web vitals to compare their user experience and technical health to yours. See what keywords your competitors are bidding on in paid search to identify profitable keywords. Learn from your competitors' PPC ads to write better title tags and meta descriptions that increase click-throughs. Run through the process above and start applying the insights to your SEO strategy. Execution is important after all. Start now and watch your SEO performance soar. Unlock the secrets of your competitors and dominate the search engine rankings. Start your SEO competitor analysis today.